You have to put the seasoning down. That's it.
All right. Let's go over to this garden bed. Whew. All right, so this is another Roma. I didn't know what it was, but I see the tomato starting here, so I know it's a Roma tomato because, like I said, I only started certain seeds, so I knew I can tell by the size and the shape. This right here is another tomato that I don't know what it is. I think it's gonna be a Roma. We'll see. This is my kale. So this is, like I said, I'm trying to get one more cutting off of this and then I'll pull it out completely until for a couple months before I plant more cool weather crops. Y'all see that cabbage down there? Y'all, massive. I'm waiting to cut it because I want to cut it when I'm ready to eat it, and I'm not ready to eat it. So here are my regular cucumbers. I actually cut my first cucumber a couple days ago, and we have more that are growing. I have been hand pollinating my cucumbers because I've had a few die off. So I've been hand pollinating. I think I have one, you can't see it. It's one down here that'll be ready soon. But yes, I'm trying to get it to grow up the trellis, but it's, you know, it's just putting on rapid growth right now because of the rain. So it has been growing crazy. Like you can see over here, that's where my peppers are, and you can see the cucumber plant just kind of taking over. So I've been trying to pull it back and put it where it belongs. This is a sunflower, y'all. I'm so excited. I grew that baby from seed. I have another sunflower over here. I have stuff packed in here, y'all. So this is my pickling cucumbers. Like you can see, oh yeah. Can y'all see that down there? Let me see if I can zoom in. Y'all see that? Oh, focus. No. There we go. Y'all see that? I got pickling cukes, y'all. I have been out here hand pollinating those as well. Oops. I've been out here. Yeah, I've been busy with my umbrella because it's been so rainy. But yes, these are supposed to grow up this side of the trellis. And, oh! Daggone cucumber beetle. Hold on, y'all. Let me get him. Go ahead up some more. Go ahead up. There we go. So I have a little cup here with some Castile soap in it. Yeah, I've just been, when I see them, I just dump them in. Yep. But yeah, so I want the cucumbers to grow up the trellis, and that will keep them out of the way of the tomato. But you can see, let me back up. You can see how we're halfway up the trellis here. Y'all, it's beautiful. Also over here are my green beans. I have some I think they're Kentucky bush beans, and I have some dragon tongue beans. My first year growing dragon tongue beans. I've gotten quite a few. I have not eaten them yet or tried them, but they're really starting to take off. You can see them here. And then this is the Kentucky bush beans. So I have like 6 plants here of those, and like 2 of the California Wonder. Not California Wonder, gosh, Gleesy. The dragon tongue. I put beans wherever I could. My son said he loved them, so I'm giving him what he wants. My peppers, y'all, they tired of this rain. Like, they don't like their feet wet like this, so you can see they're a little droopy. It's because they're a little oversaturated. We have some peppers here. Some more growing. Over this one, here's some more peppers. I have more here. Now, y'all, it says that these are Sweet peppers, not really what I was expecting for sweet pepper, so I'm not sure. And I grew these from seed, so they must have gotten mislabeled as well. Oopsie. You can see some peppers here, and just so many blooms. Now here, I did something crazy. I put in some watermelon plants, and my plan is to let them grow over here. Like, I'm gonna clean up this area. Like, look at this craziness. I'm gonna have my husband help me clean up this area here, and then I'll let the watermelon it'll take over this area here. There's some bush beans in that little pot over there. What I probably do is plant them somewhere else in the garden or in my smaller garden. Here's another place that I put watermelon so that it can grow over here. So essentially, I won't be able to walk. Let me see if I can go to the end. I won't be able to walk down this pathway because hopefully all of my watermelon will be there. This is my broccoli. This is probably going to need to be cut soon, but this was the last of the broccoli plants. Next to that is this jalapeno. I had a lot of, I don't know if you can see them, but there's quite a few jalapenos on there. I've already harvested some from there. And then that's it. My tomato towers, my strawberry towers are still looking amazing. Like, look at this strawberry. Look at that. Y'all, it don't get no better than this, y'all. Let's see. I've been trying to bury my runners. Oh, let's see, is this one ready? Not yet. All right, I think that's it for the strawberries. These are potatoes. These look like they are a little diseased. Like I said, it's just the rain, y'all. It's just been raining. These are Yukon Golds that hopefully I'll be able to harvest soon. Y'all, I was too embarrassed. So I was being real anxious, and I cut my, I pulled up one of my bags of potatoes, and y'all, my potatoes were so small. I was so embarrassed that I didn't even post the video, but I have to post it because we have to live and learn from our garden, not failures, but the things that are teaching us lessons, our lessons from the garden. So I will post that video. Just don't judge me, all right? I will see you guys in the next video. All you gotta do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.